PlayStation VR. Experiences varied in levity from casual, playroom escapades to hyper-intense combat and even a horror game for added measure. The system and its specs lend themselves to more light-hearted fare rather than the fast-paced, high-intensity ones, and while the latter are passable, they're prone to making you feel more nauseated than impressed. Riggs, I'm looking in your direction. Thankfully, VR isn't the solitary experience TVs and movies make it out to be. Friends and family can watch you as you game thanks to Social Screen TV, which displays a 2D version of what players are seeing in 3D on your TV, while some titles, like Battlezone, actually support online multiplayer. Another neat feature is Cinematic Mode, which allows you to watch 2D content inside the VR helmet. Cinematic Mode doesn't transform 2D content into 3D content, but it does allow you watch your favorite shows from Netflix and YouTube, or even play 2D PS4 titles, on a supersized virtual screen. Speaking of movies and TV shows, there are currently a number of short VR cinematic experiences on the PlayStation Store that are worth checking out. They're not Oculus Studios quality, but I did find myself laughing aloud when I watched Invasion, and had a tear in my eye by the end of Limit. A recent update also allows the headset to view not only 360 videos on YouTube, but also to watch any 3D Blu-ray discs you have lying around, so you shouldn't be lacking for video content. However, these experiences, both games and movies, are never what I'd consider realistic. Trust me, you'll never forget you're in virtual reality if that's your concern. Some character models have jagged edges to them, and even the best animators can only do so much with the technology. At this stage at least, it's easy to tell the virtual world from the real one, and, for some people, that might make PlayStation VR come off as more of a novelty like Nintendo's Wii rather than the groundbreaking innovation that I see it as.